We'll guide you through how to make a Notion for Roblox Studio. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can begin working on a new Notion page for your project right now. After your browser loads, type Notion into the search bar, press Enter, and click the first site that appears now. Log in or sign in if you do not have an account, then wait until the workspace finishes opening fully. Once you are inside, go to the Private section and click the plus button to create a new page now. Give your page a clear title so you can identify it easily when working on your project list right away. Go to the three dots on the right, then turn on the full width and small text options provided there. Now add a table database inside the page so you can start building the structure for your work right here. Give the database a name that matches your needs, then prepare it for all the information you will store later. Name the first column clearly, then add a property for the project description so you can explain your work well. Add another property for project status, then add one more for the project start date to track timing right now. Next, add a number property. Click Edit Property, choose Show as Bar, and change the format to % for consistency. Now add checkboxes based on your need so you can mark progress or tasks that are part of the work. Click the first row to open it, then add content such as the project name and the project description here. In the status option, create a few choices including ongoing, done, and pending so your workflow stays organized well today. Give each option a color so it becomes easier to see progress, changes, or delays inside your table quickly later. Set the project date by filling the start date property, then adjust the progress bar based on your current status. Continue organizing each row with the same structure so your table stays clean and simple for future updates as well. Review the database layout, make sure every property works properly, and confirm that all fields match your needs right now. After everything is set, go through each section again to add missing details and confirm your settings are correct today. When you finish all steps, your Notion page will be ready for tracking tasks, progress, and overall Roblox project activity easily.